This is how digital marketing gives you real freedom. I'm Chris, and I help beginners land 60K a year digital marketing jobs without any prior experience or education. And today I want to talk about how digital marketing gives you real freedom. And just to go right in, one, you can work from anywhere. Digital marketing is a remote career. There's going to be some companies that require you to work in person, but you can be able to do it remotely just with a computer, a laptop. One, just work from anywhere. All you need is Wi-Fi and a laptop, right? So you're not having to be tied down to a specific location. And if you are, it's mostly because of just, productivity and team bonding, but you could definitely just do it remotely. And there's a lot of successful companies that work completely remote, just like my company. And if you do any sort of freelancing, anything along those lines, most people will be doing it remotely. And many companies right now are hiring remote marketers after, the pandemic. Basically, a lot of companies were pushed to remote work. Some companies are starting to reel that back in, but as of now, there's a lot of remote work specifically for digital marketers. Second is freedom of choice. If you have a digital marketing skill set, right, whether it's paid ads, email marketing, content creation, uh, you know, website design, e-commerce, any of those, you could work for a company, start your own business, or help others grow their business, right? So you have all these different avenues that you could do if you have a specific skill set in digital marketing. Three, it's fun and creative work. So you'll be able to either make videos, make content, post, create ads, write copy, emails, and you'll be able to use different AI tools that are coming up, ChatGPT, Canva, different AI generated video softwares, and there's also AI user generated content softwares as well coming up. So the digital marketing space, it's fun, creative work, and you can be artistic and strategic. So you get a little bit of both. So four, be able to play with numbers. So you also, in addition to creative work, you also have work that deals with data and numbers. So you can track how many people, clicked your ad, for example, test what ads or headlines work, see what type of content is getting better results, right? How many views, how many interactions, and you learn how to read the data and improve on that. So marketing is a good combination, just like how Gary Vee says a lot. It's a good combination of math and art. So having both together is where marketing really thrives. And five, you grow with it. Digital marketing is always changing. It's probably one of the fastest growing domains and industries. So you always are learning, always keeping up with the newest trends, the newest softwares, the newest strategies in tech. So it's very exciting, and you're always going to be learning. And you have to keep learning and get better, because if you don't, you're going to be left behind by other marketers who adopt all these tech stacks that are coming up. And it's never boring, right? New AI tools are always coming out all the time for marketers, and you'll be able to learn it and compete with other people. And six, it's perfect for the future. High demand in 2025 and beyond. So digital marketing is going to exponentially grow just from here on out, just because everything is becoming more digital, especially with AI. Facebook, Meta recently released their Meta glasses, so that's going to be the next step in digital marketing. You're probably going to start seeing different advertisements within that hardware, right? Just like how people get ads on their phones. Once we get into the Meta glasses, virtual reality, augmented reality, there's going to be digital marketing in that sector as well. So it's always going to be you know improving and changing with the times. AI helps you and not replaces you. So there are going to be specific low level repetitive tasks that AI will be able to automate, but digital marketing is very complex. It's strategical, needs some human insight. So there are going to be a lot of AI tools that will be used by humans to, better market and better get in front of customers. And digital marketing obviously works in any industry, regardless if you're in health, fashion, tech, real estate, whatever it is. Every business is going to need digital marketing because that's going to be the main way that people get attention and learn about your product nowadays. So just a quick summary, digital marketing gives you freedom. It allows you to choose where you work, who you work with, and how you grow your income and skills. It's going to be exciting, always changing, always improving. And if you're in the digital marketing space, you get to be able to go along the journey of being able to grow and build the career that you want. And it's perfect for people who want to be creative, learn fast, and stay ahead. And that's the video, guys. Appreciate you for watching. If you're interested in wanting to learn how to land a entry-level 60K a year digital marketing job, go ahead and check out the link below, my website, chrishuyn.com. I'll send you over the framework on how to land a digital marketing job as a beginner. All right, guys, that's it for the video. See you in the next one.